Hello student, today we are going to learn the new lesson, that is wrong term in numbers. Okay. So in this type of questions, the series of terms are given. Okay, a series of terms are given and we have to find out a wrong term of this number series. So these terms, all these terms follows a certain pattern, but in this number series there is one wrong term which does not follow the pattern of this series. Okay, that wrong term should be identified. So here is the first example. We have a series of numbers, that is 3, 6, 11, 15, 21 and 28. Okay, so in this number series we have to find out a wrong term. So in this series we can easily identify that the difference between these numbers must follow the same pattern. Okay, so what is the difference between first term and second term? The difference between the first term and second term is of 3. The difference between the second and third term is of 5. Okay, and then there is a difference of 4. Then there is a difference between fourth term and fifth term, that is of 6. And then the difference between that is 7. Okay. So in these numbers we find the difference of 5 and 4 is incorrect in this number series. So we can easily identify that the difference of consecutive terms are of triangular number series. So it must be first, that is the difference, that is 3, then it must be 4, then it must be 5, then 6 and 7. Okay, here we find the 11 is not fitted in this number series. Okay, so if we add this triangular number series, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the differences between this triangular number, that is 3, 6 and the third term must be of 10. So this pattern filled by 10 is the correct pattern of the triangular number. So the triangular numbers are 3, 5, so 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 and 28. So the wrong term is 11. Okay, the next example is 7, 11, 17, 23, 35, 47. Okay, the difference between the consecutive numbers are, we can easily identify that there is a difference of 4 in first term and second term. Then in second term and third term there is a difference of 6. So it must followed a increasing pattern, that is 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Here we can easily identify the difference between first term and second term is correct, second term and third term is correct, then the fifth term and sixth term is also correct, but the number 23 is incorrect, followed the pattern. Okay, so the consecutive terms are followed by increasing 2 even numbers, even number pattern. Okay, even number pattern, which is not followed by 23. So here we must have a 17 plus 8, 25, then 25 plus 10, we got 35, the correct term. Okay, so here 23 must replaced by 25. So the odd term or a wrong term in this pattern is 23. Okay, the next example is 75, 72, 67, 60, 49, 40, 27. Okay, so in this number series we can identify that the differences between the terms are of So next example is 4, 0, 7, 28, 63, 124, 215 and 342. So in this number series there is a sequence or pattern is of natural number cube minus 1. Okay, natural numbers cube minus 1. So first natural number is 1, the cube of 1 is 1, minus 1 is equal to 0. Second, cube of 2 is 8, minus 1 is equal to 7. So on, this is the pattern which follows in this number series. So third is cube of 3 is 27, minus 1 it is 26, but here we have 28 instead of 26. Okay, so to correct it we must find out the next number is 63. So next number, that is cube of 4 is 64, minus 1 we get answer 63. So this pattern follows to the next number also. Therefore we can identify that the number 28 is a wrong term in this series. So 28 is our option of wrong term. Next example is of 18, 32, 64, 72, 98, 128 and 162. Okay, in this example we can easily identify the pattern. The pattern is so in this number series we have to identify the pattern which is followed one by one in this series. So the first number is 18. For 18 there is a pattern of multiplied by 2 multiplied by square of 3. So 2 into 9 we get answer 18. The next term is 32, that 2 multiplied by square of 4, that is 16 into 2 we get answer 32. Next term, that is 2 into 5 square, that is 25 into 2 we get answer of 50, but instead of 50 here is 64. We have answer of 64. So if we followed the next term, that is 72, if we find 6 square, 36 into 2 we got answer 72. So this pattern follows till the end except 64. So here we can easily say that 64 is a wrong term in this series. Okay. Now the next example, we have a bigger number, that is 2160, then 360, then 72, 24, 63. Okay, 6 and 3. Okay, so we could not understand from the big numbers, so we will try to find out the pattern from a right side. Okay, so here is the number that is come after adding same number or multiplying by 2. Okay, so we have to find out the pattern of this number from right side. Okay, if we look to the pattern which is followed from the right side, that is 3 into 2 we got answer 6. Okay, for getting 24 we have to multiply by 4, we get answer 24. If we multiplied 24 into 3, we get answer 72. If we look at this multiplication, we find the wrong term, that is it is into 2, and into 3 comes instead of into 3 is come instead of second term. So we have to rewrite this term again. We have to find out from the right side, that is 3 into 2 we got answer 6. The next term we find, if we multiplied by 3, 6 into 3 we get answer 18, but here we have 24. If we continue with this pattern, that is 18 into 4, we get answer 72. Okay, so here we can easily identify the pattern which is followed, that is 72 into multiplied by 5, we get answer, that is 360. So increasing multiplication numbers is the pattern in this number series. Okay, so here 24 is a wrong term because 18 is the correct term we find by the pattern. So here 24 is a wrong term in this number series. Okay, such type of questions are we have to solve in the test also. First we have to find out the pattern, and then by following that pattern we have to find out a wrong term in a number series. Okay, thank you.